You just need to pull down.
מלך העולם אשר קידשנו מצוותיו וציוונו לקבוע מזוזה. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהחיינו וקיימנו והגיענו לזמן הזה. אמן. שאני יודע בעל פה?
Now that the doors of the embassy are officially open, let me welcome...
This is a proud moment for Fiji, Honorable Minister. It's a proud moment for many of us. As I had mentioned in the conversations we've had earlier, many of us have benefited, have been blessed. The same blessings that Abraham received from God. He blessed him and said, and you shall be a blessing. And you mentioned it this morning. So, the opening of your premises here, overlooking the harbor of Fiji, is a continuation of that blessing. You have blessed Fiji by deciding to open your embassy here in Fiji. So you're spreading the blessings upon your father Abraham to the people of Fiji. We accept the blessings. May the blessings that we receive from you and your God, our God, continue to inspire us and empower us to your blessing unto others. God bless you. God bless your great state.
The words of the Prime Minister were indeed moving and inspiring, and with you leading the decision on forming the embassy in Jerusalem, your embassy to Jerusalem, that gave a huge momentum to bilateral relations between our two states. But I believe it's not only in the context of bilateral relations between two states, it's much deeper than that. Because we fought during all the ages against those who tried to deny our rights as the real indigenous people of the land of Israel. You know, Prime Minister, when Caesar Hadrian destroyed the city of Jerusalem, he established a new city he called Ilia Capitolina. By the way, the same Caesar gave the name Palestine. It was the same effort to try to disconnect the land from the people. Maybe if there will be another city, the Jewish people will forget Jerusalem. But the Jewish people during 2,000 years in exile, so many generations, never forgot for one day the promise of God that they will return someday. And Prime Minister, in one of the Zionist Congress, when the founder of Zionism, Theodor Herzl, suggested, because he was afraid that in Europe the Jewish people is going to face Holocaust, so he wanted to have a temporary shelter. He suggested to have a temporary state in Uganda. There were some other suggestions. But even though he established the Zionist Congress, the Zionist Congress revolt against it, because that was perceived to not to be loyal to Jerusalem. But these roots in the Bible are common roots of you and us. Therefore, while having this decision, you strengthen this common roots of ours, which is, as I described earlier this day, an alliance of believers. Therefore, we will always remember that, and this is also our commitment to strengthen this alliance, and the establishment of this embassy is a cornerstone in that effort. Thank you for so much, Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you.
The Lord bless you, and the Lord make his face shine upon you and the great country. So lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace.
Amen. God bless Fiji, and God bless Israel.
ในความยินดี